Coconut Man documentary, day one. Tell us what's going on here, Jack, with this coconut.
We are soaking this coconut for at least 3 to 4 days to get the nut moist, and then we're going to put it in dirt. I saw a webpage from the University of Hawaii, and they said you should soak the coconut for a couple of days, submerge it. But this one is so big, I'm having a hard time keeping it down in the water.
There you have it, folks. Straight from the Coconut Man.
So, see this one. After it's soaked,
Go ahead and tell us about it.
after you soak them for 3 to 4 days, I put the nut with some rocks in the bottom, some sand from the beach, some potting soil about halfway down. I want to see which way the coconut lays, and I should get roots, and we should get a sprouter out of here. So likes the hot, humid days.